Morning, this is from the Family Day weekend. This is my third time on the ice this season and I'm here with HUTS. So I have a friend with me this time. His name is Tilak. হাঁটা অসুবিধা না, এতটুকু হাঁটতেই অনেক
না না তোমার খুব ভালো লাগছিল। ও মাই গড।
But it's good.
তোমার ওই শিপাটা খুব শক্ত মিটটা। খুব রাবারি মিট। হ্যাঁ মানে বোঝা যায় মাছ খাচ্ছে না কি খাচ্ছি।
It's got a little one. I'm gonna let it go. I just want to get you started with an idea of how much snow there is on the lake. So right up to Tilak's knees, the snow is there. Oh wow! So that much is of snow on the lake. There's a little bit of the hard ice that you can see, and it's about maybe a foot of or foot and a half thickness, and under that we have 24 feet of Lake Simcoe, and this is the village. There's a lot of huts. These are all huts by hot box huts. That's the operators that I usually go out with, and they are really awesome, very helpful guys.
This is my first catch of the day. Okay. I can feel the movement.
Yay! ধরো নালে খুলে না যায়।
Here you go. Thank you. There you go, buddy.
ক্যামেরাটাই পুরো ঘুরিয়ে রাখি। But all small ones.
It's okay, Atish.
Started snowing. We have some bad weather this afternoon. It's even going to be worse tomorrow. Small one. You out the
Hey, hey.
I'm sinking.
Wow. কোনো কিছু দেখা যাচ্ছে না, দেখতে পাচ্ছ?
Oh my god.
All I can say that thank you, Atish. It was one of my dream come true today, and because of you, actually, like, you know, just I made it today. Okay, thanks, man.
No, I had great company.
Yeah,
although we
I
didn't
know.
catch any big fish, but I have a
Exactly,
big-hearted
same here.
friend here, so we had a lot of fun. And look at this weather. Oh my god. I don't know if the video is doing any justice to the weather, but it's snowing crazy. And we were so cozy inside the hut, it didn't even feel like what's going on outside. Wow, look at this. It's all white out.